Good afternoon, August 2026. We'll have the accountability of the effort and kind of move forward, close the month because we have personal commitments to do. We had international complaints since 2014 against Brazil in the very first moment concerned with the systemic risk and was also unveiled by an individual the systemic crime as a reality at the institutional system, currently complained at commercial practice but not isolated. Violating, as we could observe at this adventure for survival, that the array of institutional power and solidarity misuse crossed the lines of private living, privacy, and individuals. They can change your environment, have your privacy exposed, and even hurt you as your personality or the image or things you do, right? This was the cause to do the rework since the 80s. Because the criminals at the state power, at the institutional power, implies the institutional corruption. And only happens if the criminals got in and remained, we require the dismiss list, not properly made, institutional decision, assuming and taking all risks by the continuity they, have them inside. We have one company as reviewed in the 80s by looks like dripped information considering relevant project that got used for playing chess, and we suggested 3 years ago to use as playing against the organized crime. The European geopolitics and the brainstorm. The brainstorms imply that we're gonna have something raining, and in our segment is money. But after hard work, we had to seed before the crop. The annual report by the data taxa exposing that the crime system and the statehood are mostly the same thing in different moments by human resource in commutative permutations as centers of interest and many other things, right? Was also offered. We highlighted some qualities of those groups by objective values converted into the vectorial notation, premise, relation, correlation, and we have the systemic risk as the systemic mobilization from a single department with interaction with others based, for instance, on public budget Brazil that has ties with the international system by scheduled events running the circuit and rolling together the solidary use of everything wrongly made at this circuit. It's named wrongdoing or misconducts. To keep the profitable illegal by all ways, they need fake records. It's a vectorial behavior, the different sides, the corrosion in the middle, the corrosive argument that integrated everybody, having the situation as we have in present time. They are unveiled. The need of fake records skyrocketed. The empiricism as accountability and commitment, accomplishment, and uphold legal premises, including the law, is unable to exist. Quite simple here, the example as the permutative commutation we have, USA, Brazil, you can change side to side. The Malthusian theory, the lies they do on procedure, some formal instruments, indeed has a utility decreased until we have them exposed in the big lies like we are having on present time. This is the Acadian, another creation for protection of suppressed rights and guarantees, including the credit, just like white data taxa and the entire industrial portfolio. It's an array inside the portfolio with specific activities as anti-mafia. The institutional corruption is the mafia. The Acadian, right? We have the intersection between matrix with fails, observed as an array that goes inside a vectorial space or any other space, following the idea as Banach's space we are using at this work and effort since the very first day. The database sigma is the stochastic process presented as complaint since 2014, with events observed at least since 1999, quantifying reality by measure, the optimization of binary reading as contribution to mankind by value -1. The grid management we only do the administration of things we can at least have the sense, even without touch, and the -1 essence is something we can have, right? If you do not feel okay, probably something isn't good. New tracer by quadrant tracer is the institutional system distributed at the geopolitical environment, considering many moments the crosscut soil as time-space, right? By the use of power, we had fingered by God, the users of power, human resources and government or similar situations. The wide data attached, it's kind of them all inside a box, right? The occasion is to vanish the box debugged. Simple like this. The occasion database sigma crosscut between matrix can be 1, 2, or 3, or even a dozen, or having all elements divided into matrix west, east, center, or middle east, right? Regressive models we have like this in the same way, and the progressive models from the fail at Tiny City in Rio de Janeiro that is observed by Fractal at the same fail at the institutional arena. The compensation isn't, again, based on losses 30 years of my life by an effort that isn't supposed to be made against the institutional corruption by the insistent violation of my rights and guarantees affecting others. The task force reward 1 billion against the city Rio de Janeiro and Saquarema because they host and kept the criminal practice from the institutional system. They are part of the Federative Unity Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, one of the 27 federative units of Brazil, a federation ruled by criminal purpose since only God knows, told by the Constitution Article 74, 23, and 1, but also observing the behavior of the institutional system Brazil with order, generally assuming commitment and defaulting obligations, right? They are trying to run the frustration as a regular thing. Rational expectation of economic agents avoid risk situations like this, especially integrated as a systemic risk between public system and domestic system corporations with transcontinental level as interaction involving others. Intellectual activity, private living, always under economic espionage, the industrial portfolio we had, the project Acadian. In Brazil, the intellectual protection has no need as registration, told by the Constitution guaranteed 27, 28 and the law 9610, Article 18. But Brazil also do not respect. With the peers in Brazil, Brazil is always the major aggressor at this role to surround and engulf the environment as regular institution by the criminal interaction they do. We have some results and applications of the Acadian kind of prevention, division, and fragmentation of Catholic Church and sovereignty of nations. Illicit commercial practice in Brazil that express the kind of traders you have as human resource in the same way as the institutional system. The institutional corruption, state crimes, and criminality of state go by human resource. It's the same thing in different moments by the different qualities of density as structured behavior, expressed like the homicide, the assassination of an individual, the annihilation of a family, or genocide. Oh, you have crimes against life, but in different moments by the density. And finally, the US Congress and reason of public debt to understand the fragmentation of the power of the people. In United States, not considering the preamble in many moments and the angle tone of that society, right? Including the freedom of expression, but observing, normal conditions. The utilitarian use of things for biases is a rule of thumb that this criminal system we had to act against this all the time, day and night. The occasion simulation permanent security forum Brazil USA fail in the middle. Fail in the middle is common on both. Brazil is already surrounded and was quite easy to have Brazil totally attached to the organized crime in transcontinental level. America is in a struggle. They had a mobilization on South America, but must have eyes at the Pacific and the north of United States, considering also that the suspension in big blocks is by internal fail SWOT analysis. This is an external movement, right? The suspension will continue. They can claim for help, only receive help, right? Then we are not helping them. We are doing analysis about the global situation, including the NATO interests. The composition vectorial is this distribution, the same thing here, right? The integrity of states, for instance, Brazil and USA, or East and West, the corruption of both, the corruption with a permutative interaction in at least one of them that attached both of them, and having in the end the same thing is like the difference between Republican and Democrat, that if you are both running the public debt for utilitarian misuses as own interest, indeed you have a single political party in the United States ruled for corruption and institutional corruption. The arcade simulation, this was mentioned already as a drill down. The coalition crime system and statehood implied, that we have 200 nations distributed from corruption and crimes in a space that was also trying to overtake the financial system, the bank system, the business. They, in general, will have this movement as the corrosion, the integrated criminality transferring their pieces or resources or whatever to the regular flow as workflow of business operation and industrial businesses process, right? Some of them will be under constraints, losses that is converted into organized crime, like hijack this situation, right? Nothing new down here. The systemic crime in Brazil, the theory, the accountability we have as economic and financial control. We have the budget, bond and papers. We had yet the tax and rates, the tax immunity, the parallel economy, the clandestine system, the commercial practice. The clandestine system implies the exchanged market and the control by bond index vectorial basis you need, but you can have all the time. Heterodox argument expressing criminality. For instance, if go inside the bank, expressed by the bank will be noticed as the cause, but we'll have to do the regression until human resource. This is the volume 2 of our economic and financial theory, expressions of humble words we have at the curves, right? This interaction reverted or corrupted liquidity, money, and investment give me the idea as clandestine economy or exchanged market for criminal purpose, right? We could have yet that the Article 721 and 273 of the Portuguese Constitution allow to do this as defense of the state, the algebraic modular interval, that is indeed the period boxed to be vanished, right? We will have that the credit has the financial fees after the declaration to be satisfied before we have the risk rates. The movement for today, we have the investment saving curve already told, liquidity money, the exchanged market, we have the lambda scams as compiled, gains as exchanged market with stochastic process, the cantonera symbol, and we have the bond, debugging and put everything down, right? The bond it will be used as a reversal condition as the result as exchanged market, right? Everything you do illegal in a very specific moment, we will just claim to you bring your reasons. You can, you'll be seizured. Simple like that. And you have to pay 164 trillion against the statehood until the seats, 19 billions against the seats up to the statehood, right? Against the seats, the statehood, against the seats at the statehood, the relation we have domain and image with permutation domain and image, because indeed, as you could observe, the bond unveiled the statehood and criminal system operating commonly for the foe against the credit by human resource. Regression quite simple, the criminality from criminal association based on institutional corruption, because the object segmented the interaction solidarity through institutional system was combined as a crime system and statehood, with center of decision, domestic international, and action in general locally executed. Reason to consider a tiny city as a best way for exploratory reporting, analysis, and stochastic process of data. Holidays fractal. The behavior of the tiny city, human resource department, it's similar to the behavior they had as fractal behavior, bringing the density. We are offering this, closing the month, have a terrific week and weekend, in my case, and then we expect the consequence properly applied, international order for dismiss, imprisonment, and listed groups to be in a review before the capital penalties properly applied, including the neutral area police. Have a terrific day. The elements codified, we have the interval A and B. You will dump garbage on it as garbage rain, and the interval in the middle as institution until human resource. You will shit at them until they bring as front heads, which are the main heads of this pandemic mobilization of crime. This one for sure deserves the capital penalty. Have a terrific day.